I am really getting obsessed with the gun. I bought it last night and I realized that it's pink in color. Right after my mom shouted, "Who bought this pink gun? Pink gun? Seriously?" But it's fine, it's only half pink. I mean, less than half. Last night I went and asked a shopkeeper, "Bhaiya, आपके पास आग निकलने वाला gun होगा क्या?" He was like, "आग निकलने वाला gun? Oh, Thash Thash pistol!" So according to the shopkeeper, it's Thash Thash pistol. Thash Thash. Mirbin! Oh, Mirbin! Down, ta? Amelie, down, ta? Ay! Pulang, ta? Well, it didn't work out well and it's because of the goalie. Last night when I bought it, it was not very dry and I asked the shopkeeper, "Bhaiya, ye acha to hoga na, ye kaam to karenge na?" He was like, "Jogmok hai, jogmok. Dekh liya kitna jogmok hai." And guys, it's a special request. According to YouTube, almost 90% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. Why? Show me some love. Please do subscribe. Please.